Cost of living. The cost of living is how much money people need to pay for basic needs. It includes rent, food, transportation, and utilities. Different places have different costs. Some cities are very expensive. Rent and food may cost a lot of money. People who live there often need higher salaries to live comfortably. Big cities like New York or London are examples. Other cities are more affordable. People can pay less for housing and food. Many people move to cheaper places to save money. It helps them live with less stress. When the cost of living rises, people feel pressure. Their salary stays the same, but prices go up. They may need to change their habits or look for better jobs. Understanding the cost of living helps people make smart decisions. They can choose where to live and how to manage their money.